Hello class, today we're doing 5GO3.10. We are identifying patterns using decimals, okay? So let's begin. First, we notice that our first term is 225 and 7/10, and our last term is 19 and 3/10. So our terms are decreasing. So when our terms are decreasing, then we acknowledge that we're either subtracting or dividing. Okay? So from there, let's take the difference between these two terms. 25 and 7/10, subtract 24 and 1/10. Here's 6 and this is 1. Let's check between these two. 20 and 9/10, 19 and 3/10. When we subtract, okay, we discover that it is 1.6, the difference between the two. So then the rule is to subtract 1.6. If that's the case, then we'll take 24 and 1/10 and subtract 1 and 6/10, and we discover that is 22 and 5/10 is our missing term. Okay, let's look at number 2. On number 2, we notice that our first term is 1 and 7/500, and our last term is 11 and 7/500. So our pattern, our sequence is increasing. So we are adding or we are multiplying. Okay, so if that's the case, let's find the difference between the two. Let's go from 11 and 7/500 to 9 and 2/500. Let's subtract, and we discover that the difference between these two is 2 and 5 or 50/100ths. Okay, all right, so let's go here between here and here. 9 and 2/500, 6 and 7/500. When we subtract, it's 12, this is 8. We discover again that the difference is 2 and 50/100ths. So we're increasing, so then we are adding 2 and 50/100ths. So we'll take our 1 and 7/500ths, add 2 and 50/100ths, and we note that our missing value is 4 and 2/500ths. Okay, let's look at number 6. On number 6, we are given the rule that we start with 28 and 6/10 and we subtract 3 and 1/10. So let's start. 28 and 6/10, subtract 3 and 1/10. When we subtract, okay, we have 25 and 5/10. So subtract it again. Okay. 22 and 4/10. Let's subtract it again. Okay. And here we're going to borrow 12. Make this 1. This would be a 9. It'd be 19 and 3/10. Let's look at the last one. Lynn walks dogs every day to earn money. The fee she charges per month are 1 dog is $40, 2 dogs $37.25, 3 dogs is $34.50, 4 dogs is $3.75. A pet store wants her to walk 8 dogs. If the pattern continues, how much will Lynn charge to walk each of the 8 dogs? So let's see. If she starts out with 40 and then she has 37 and 25 and then 34.50 and then 31.75, let's see what her pattern is. So she's going down, so she's subtracting. That much we know. Okay? All right, so she's subtracting. But let's see. Let's use this space here. If we take 40 Okay, and take away 37.25, we will discover that this is 10, this is 9, this is 9, this is 3. So this is 5, this is 7, this is 2. $2.75. Okay? And so we'll take 37.25, okay? And therefore we have 34.50. So that's 5. Okay, and so then this is $2.75. So then we'll just keep the pattern going. We'll take $2.75 from here. Okay, so let's take, so the next value, if we take 31.75 and we take 2.75 from there, this will be 0, 0. This will be 9, that will be 2. So it'll be $29 for that one. Next, $29, take away 2.75, subtract, this is 10, this is 9, this is 8. So this is 5, this is 2, this is 6, this is 2. Next will be 26.25. Okay, 2 more times, 26.25, take away 2.75, that's 0, that's 12. Borrowed there, that's 5, it's 3, that's 2, it's 23.50, and one more. Okay, let's just take 2.75 from here. This is 10, this is 4, that's give us 5. We borrow here, that's 7, that's 0, that's 2. And we have 20.75. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dogs. Okay, see you in the morning.